thief. I'm sorry, I'm gonna just get into my Spider.
I'ma remember that.
Wait. Which car should I drive?
You go, this one.
My car.
My car.
My car.
Your car.
Let's go.
Please tell me you saw that.
Puppets not stopping nothing, so they mind getting hated what they can't understand. They illiterate. The truth is my.
Je frisst da kein besseres Hähnchenfleisch. Das ist echt fantastisch.
Let's go.
Oh, it's a beautiful day for a car chase.
Feel the beat sent to me, courtesy of Women G. Tell the queen, feel the beat. So impressive with delivering my message. I don't need your respect. I don't
You two
beg
touch it.
for acceptance. Cause I take what I need and never ask for permission. Make a class in session. Let's go.
Where you going?
Just a little sightseeing through the forest. I got you.
Who wants to be the bad guy next?
I'll take that, thank you.
You're welcome, bad guy.
What?
Guys, we gotta talk about the rules here. When we get back, we're having a meeting.
Let's go.